Hey guys, Jake here. This is our sixth tutorial for our HTML5 game dev series. And so we're going to be doing some more designing with Pixelmator. And what we want to do is create another new image. And this time, if you guys remember, our canvas is 800 by 500. And we want to do a little jet. We want to make a little jet. Now, I don't know how big we should make it. Let's go... I don't know, let's try something like width 100, height of the jet will be something like 40. Let's just see what this looks like. That's not too bad, I guess. We'll go with that. So let's make this bigger. Okay, so zoom in a bit. This is what our jet is going to be. The size is going to be kind of like this. So let's actually get started. Let's start over here. So how are we going to make a jet? Let's start off with the shape tool and do some lines. Yeah, we'll just try that for now. Now, like I said, we don't have to make them perfect. They're just for testing purposes for basically right now. That's pretty much it. So, we're just going to see what this... Oh. Make a new shape. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Let's try again and make a jet. I gotta get used to this program. Okay, so what you want to do is basically draw a jet however you like to and whichever way you can do it the best. I'm just gonna kind of do it the best I can. Again, it's for testing, so it doesn't even matter what it looks like. Doesn't even matter. So what you want to do is mostly try and go to the edge of the picture. You don't have to. It just kind of makes it easier for certain things that we're going to be doing. But, yep. Let's just see how this turns out. Out there. Fill that in. Okay, move this a bit. I care too much about it. I shouldn't. It's just a testing purpose image. Okay, let's do a bit more, like a wing maybe. That's a horrible wing. Oh, how did that happen? Let's do something like that. Okay, so actually I'm just going to change the color of the wing a bit. No, I'm not actually. I'm going to do something else. I'm going to take the fill tool. Will that work? Maybe a new layer. No, that doesn't work. Huh, okay, let's just take the paintbrush then. And let's paint inside of it. I guess I'll do a darker gray, just so we can see our plane, or a jet, whatever you want to call it. Okay, it doesn't matter if you go over the lines, because basically, after that, all you do is put this layer on the bottom, behind those lines. So we go like this, and there we go. Oh, alright, that's alright. We'll just leave it like that. Okay, so, and again, to keep things organized, all you can do is create a group, and just to keep things organized, so let's do jet, and then jet color, just to keep it nice. Okay, background. Now, when you're making a picture, you don't really want to have a background at all. You want it to be transparent. That's another good thing about PNGs. So basically what you can do is either delete this layer or even hide it. And then we want to save this. Now, first of all, you always want to make up a file, like a raw file with layers, not a PNG. You want to first of all make a raw file. So I use Pixelmator, so I keep all my Pixelmator stuff in here. So I'm going to do jet.pxm, and then I'm going to go up to export, and do this with whatever program you're using. It'll be a little different, but same idea. Then you have to make a PNG, and I'm just going to do jet.png. Good. Now, if I check my files, it should you should see a jet with no background. Good. I know it looks like there's background, but there's actually none. That's just this thing. Anyways, and here's our background from last tutorial. And I also uploaded this to my minus, and this will be uploaded too. Now, another thing. We're not done yet. Even though we created one jet, we still want to create an enemy jet. Now, to create an enemy jet, what I'm going to do is go up here, File, Save a Version. Well, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do Save again. I think I want Duplicate. Okay, so I'm going to go close this one. And I'm going to make this one bigger. Okay, now this was going to be my enemy jet, so I'll go Save. Jet, let's do enemy.pxm. Okay, and then to make it an enemy, what I'm going to do is image. Give me a break. I gotta figure out how to flip something. Let's just select everything. Edit. I think I want flip horizontal. Yes, that kind of worked, but there is no bottom anymore for some reason. Where did that go? That is weird. Okay, let's try that again. Let's do flip vertical. Okay, this is weird. Why isn't it doing what it's supposed to? Okay, let's do all this one at a time. Edit, flip horizontal. Good. Edit, flip horizontal. Oh, that's better. But still, there's no bottom. I don't get it. Okay. Everything is off by a bit. Okay, let's move this over. You know what? Let's just color it in a different color. We're going to get rid of this layer. Make a new layer. Let's color this one. Well, we're going to need this. Let's color this one red for an enemy jet. Oops. Stay in the lines. Again, this is just for testing. You can color whatever you want and make it look pretty after we're done the game. It's much easier. Okay, so that's our enemy jet. Let's go up to File and just save it. And actually, we want to still try and flip this a bit. What are we going to do? Let's try it again. Edit, flip horizontal. Not sure where this bottom one is going. Where is our bottom one? Oh well. What are we going to do? We can do it another way. So let's just save this as our PXM. If you want to go through, well, you know what? I don't even care. It's just for testing. Let's just flip them all. Edit. Well, let's not flip the background though. Don't need to. Flip horizontal. Okay, I'm good with that. Actually, let's see. Let's just find where that shape went. That one looks like it's gone. That one's still there. That we don't need. Okay, we're just going to make a new shape. Go down here to the line tool. Make it a bit longer so I can fill that in. Why isn't it moving now? Save. Oh, that's probably why. Okay, let's move both of these. Okay, I'm good with that. Just for testing purposes, so save, and then we need, again, we need to export PNG next. Enemy.png sounds good. Before this tutorial gets too long again, we're just going to finish it off here very quickly. So we got our enemy done, so we can close this. Now, when I'm going to explain this, and then we're probably going to do it in the next tutorial quickly. Let's go back to... Okay, back to here. Let's go. So what we did, we created 3 pictures. We first of all created a background. Then we created a jet for our team. And then we created an enemy jet, which is what we're going to be shooting down at. We're also going to need more images. So we may do that quickly in the next tutorial because, I don't know, I don't have much to cover for the rest of the pictures. But what we do need to do is basically we're going to put all of our pictures, all of the ones that we created, in one single big picture, and that's what we're going to call, well, that's what we call a sprite. Now, a sprite is basically just one big image file with a bunch of pictures in it, and we can basically tell the canvas to draw a portion of that big image, and that's the portion that we want. So if we only want to draw a jet, we'll tell the canvas to take out this portion, the jet portion of the big picture. And I'll go over this again next tutorial. So yeah. So stay tuned, guys, for the next tutorial. Thanks.